Acha, screen paisa na question. Are you able to see my screen? Everyone, please confirm.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. So last class, what we have discussed? Anyone remembering? Last class what we have discussed? I think we have discussing regarding the file system, right? Or the directory structure. And in the last class, I have completed the session and I have already shared the, let me see, the PDF with you. Okay, this one. So I think all of you have gone through this PDF. Okay. So today we'll be discussing regarding some advanced concept in Linux. So this is the file system information.
Hello,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, আপোনাৰ চাউণ্ডটো লোকে আহি আছে ভালকে শুনা নাই
আচ্ছা চবৰে হৈছে নে এনেকুৱা নাই এজনৰ হৈছে কোৱাচোন বাকি বাকি বেলেগে ঠিকে ঠিকে পাইছানে না চবৰে কমি আছে
স্যাৰ আহিছে এতিয়া অলপমান
ঠিকে আছে স্যাৰ
অ হিৰক যদি তুমি এই কৰি দিয়াচোন তুমি ৰি লগইন কৰা তোমাৰ ফালত প্ৰব্লেম হ'ব মোৰ ইয়াতে নেটৱৰ্ক আছে ফুল তোমাৰ
স্যাৰ মাজতে মানে আহিছে পিছত আৰু মানে চাউণ্ডটো নাহে কমি
অ
যায়
অ সেইটো তোমাৰ হয়তো হ'ব পাৰে দিয়াচোন মই এইকাৰণে সুধিলো ন বেলেগ মোৰ প্ৰব্লেম থাকিলে চবৰে হ'লে হয় ন তুমি কাম কৰা পালে তোমাৰ চাপোজ চাইড মোষ্ট প্ৰবলি তোমাৰ নেটৱৰ্ক সিগনেল ল' আছে ঠিক আছে সেইকাৰণে হ'ব পাৰে আচ্ছা এতিয়া আহি আছে নে কোন চবৰে
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in our last class directory structure we have seen what is the data structure, okay, and how different files are stored in a Linux system. Okay, to store different file, Linux maintain different directory. Okay, so suppose root, usr, etc, okay, dv, lib, so bin, so all these are different binaries based on the type of the file or the information you are handling. Okay, this is going to store the files. Okay, now today we'll look after two more advanced concept. One is your Linux inode and one is your Linux superblock. Okay, so this will discuss today. So what is inode? Okay, see, an inode number is a uniquely existing number for all the files in Linux and all Unix type system. Okay, that means suppose in our university there are altogether 7,000 students, right? Now each and every student are possessed with one unique registration number. Okay, all the BCA student will go like this: ADTU slash 2020 2024 or 23 slash BCA, then say 001 002 like this. Okay, so this is called what the unique identification number for each and everyone. Say for example, let us take one student's name, say suppose Bisal Roy. Okay, by name Bisal Roy there may be 10 different students, right? But the roll number of Bisal Roy in BCA is unique. Okay, so this one, so inode is a number through which one file is identified in the computer operating system. Okay, an inode number is a uniquely existing number for all the files in Linux and all Unix type operating system. Okay, as we have discussed earlier that Linux is nothing but a Unix type operating system, right? That means whatever structure or the commands we are discussing in Linux is exactly same to that of your Unix also. Okay, there may be very minute differences, okay, in some cases, otherwise up to 90% or 95% you will find exactly same. Okay, when a file is created on a system, a file name and inode number is assigned to it. Okay, now suppose you are creating a file using MS Word. Okay, when you create the file, you are going to save the file, right? So whenever you are going to save the file, you will give a name, say file1.txt.doc or something. Okay, so this is called a file name, and whenever you save this file, the operating system will allocate a certain inode number to this file. Okay, whenever you are just clicking on this file to open, the request will go to the inode table. Okay, and the operating system search for the file in the memory. If this inode number is matched, then only your file is going to be open. Otherwise it will display one message, file you have searched for is not available. আচ্ছা কেতিয়াবা এনেকুৱা হয় চাবাচোন, তুমি সাপোজ পেন ড্ৰাইভ লগাই তুমি কিবা এটা মুভি চাই আছা, ঠিক আছে, পেন ড্ৰাইভটো তুমি প্লাগ আউট কৰি দিলা, পাছত তোমাৰ ফাইলৰ ইনফৰমেশ্যনটো তোমাৰ চিষ্টেমত থাকিব, বাট দিছ ফাইল ইজ নট গোইং টু ৰান. Why? Because computer memory or the operating system release the inode number. Okay, so you will not be able to view the file again. Okay, so in short you can say that whenever you are going to create a file in Unix or Linux type operating system, then one certain inode number is associated with the file you have created. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, what may be your inode number. Okay, generally to access a file, a user uses the file name, but internally file name is first mapped with the respective inode number stored in the table. Okay, that means your each and every file that you have created is directly mapped with your inode number. Okay, it is inode table. It is just like your index. Suppose you are searching for a keyword, then obviously you will go to the glossary of the book. Okay, in every book, in the back side or at the end of every book, you will find a glossary in a alphabetical order. Okay, if you want to see the particular topic in detail, then obviously you will go to the glossary and you will go to the reference. Suppose I am searching for Unix, then you have to go to the Unix, and corresponding to the Unix the page number is displayed. Okay, and again you will come back to the page for reading and all. Okay, so this is, in this way mapping is happened in the computer memory. Okay, now the thing is that what are the different information you will find from the inode. An inode is a data structure, that means collection of some information containing metadata about a file. So what is meant by metadata? That means this is the metadata, you can say. Suppose the map. Okay, so suppose whenever you're going to create a city or building a house, okay, first of all you will create one map or the plan, and this plan is nothing but the metadata. That means all the information regarding the file is stored inside the metadata. Okay, so inode is nothing but the metadata. So some of the most important information which is stored in metadata or the inode is, first of all, user ID of the file. That means who has created the file. Okay, later on we'll learn about whenever you create the file in Unix or Linux, there are 3 different user by default associated with the file. Okay, the first of one is you, the owner of the file. That means who has created the file. Okay, next one is the group. This user is belonging to which group. Okay, next one is device ID. Device ID is nothing but the hard disk ID, at what portion of the hard disk in which track your file is located. Okay, next one is your file size, MB, KB, and all different things. Okay, let me allow someone, he has just arrived. Okay, next one is what the date of creation, when the file is created. Okay, I'll show you how this different information is going to be displayed. Next one is the permission. So by default, what are the different permission are assigned with the file. So just wait for some time. I will tell you all the things, different things. Okay, so what is permission and what is the users and all. Okay, next one is owner of the file, file protection flag, and link counter to determine number of hard links. That means so all the different informations are stored inside the inode. Okay, that means if a file is generated in someone's PC, then by inspecting the inode number, anyone can track the file. Okay, who has created the file at what time, and what is the different information stored, is all going to be explored from the inode number. Okay, that's why this is called the metadata about a file. Is it clear up to this point, everyone? What is inode? If someone asks you, can you tell? Please reply. Or if you want, then if you want it is to be repeated, then I will do. Okay, please let me know.
Repeat again.
Okay, repeat. So what I'm telling, suppose you have created a file. Okay, so this is a file. Okay, let us go to the terminal and then I'll show you. Ubuntu. Okay, so here I want to see the inode table. So first of all, you please see the execution of the command, then you will come to know what are the different information you will be viewing there. Okay, so to view the inode, what command you will using? You are using this command. Okay, df minus I, df minus I, enter. See, here you will find one thing. See, there the file system. So root, fs, none, so these all are different file system. Okay, it will pick the drives also. Okay, and these all are the inode number. Okay, now see, the inode number is exactly same, 999 and 9 is all, but you see the location. Okay, this is the 999 inode number located in the root. Okay, and this is located at the device, this is located at the run. So in this way, see, each and every location is corresponding with a certain inode number. Okay, in this way you can view the inode number. Or if you want to see in file, then you must go. So let me check pwd cd. Okay, let's put ls. So there are, so cd dir1, put ls. Suppose there are two different files, so I want to see the inode number and all the status history about this file. Okay, so how to see? The command is this one, ls minus li, then this one. Okay, so ls li, enter, you see. So there are two files. Okay, one is file1.txt and one is what, a file2.txt. so if you can remember, see, first of all, this file1.txt is created on October 9th. Okay, at the very beginning of this month at 11:01 AM. Okay, during our class time, and this is the inode number, you see. So this is the inode number, okay, for the file1, and file2 I have just created. Okay, let us create one file. So can you tell me what is the command we're going to use to create a file? Can anyone tell me what command is used to create a file? What was the command to create a file? Here are, yeah, please.
cat.
Yeah. So using cat, you can go for the creation of file as well as putting some content, right? Now another one command was there, was the touch. So touch is a very simple command, no need to type any content of the file, only you are creating a blank file. Okay, later on you can add some content, so you can use any of this. So I'm using the touch, 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 say file 3.txt, enter. So in this way, see, if you put the cat command there, then it will ask you to write the content. Okay, by using this touch command, you can create one blank file. Okay, now it is what, 11:34. So now I will check what is the status of this file. Again, please run this command. Okay, now see, this file tree is created with the 11:33 on 27th October. Okay, and see, this is the inode number. In this way, okay, the amount of file you are creating in the system, automatically some inode number will be assigned to each and every one. Okay, now the thing is that from this inode number, what benefit we will find? Okay, that means what, this is the unique identifier. Okay, as I told you, suppose by name Vishal Roy, there may be 10 different students in a university, okay, or in our class, but the roll number or the phone number of Vishal Roy I am pointing is exactly only associated with only one, okay, not more than one. So inode number will act like this. Okay, that means file C, the inode number assigned with file 1 is exactly different from the file 2 and the file 3 in this way. Okay, so from this information, what are the different information I am achieving? First of all, the inode number. Okay, next one is the permission. See, in case of your Linux, when you creating a file, there are 3 different persons or the system who can use this file. Okay, first of all, the owner of the file who has created. So initially these 3 portion 1, 2, 3 dash rw, okay, and dash rw. So please count how many characters are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so what I'm telling, so let me type these things first, then will be okay. In Linux, first of all, you will find the owner, owner, owner. Next, you'll find the group, and then you find the others. Other means what, the anyone else of this group. That means, suppose I am creating one file, I am belonging to the person is Kandarpo, okay, and I am creating this file in the BCA group. So BCS group, then any other person from beyond this group is called the others. Okay, here each and every owner is associated with 3 different permissions. So what are they? Read, write, execute. Okay, here also read, write, and execute, and here also read, write, and execute. Kiman hol koa tomar 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So all together you will finding the 9 different characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What about this extra? Okay, so what the okay, let me do one thing here, just wait for some time. Let me create one folder, mkdir, say subdirectory 1, enter. Okay, now put the ls-li command, ls-li. See, now this time instead of this or the hyphen or the minus, you find a D. That means it represents the directory with the blue color. Okay, when you are creating one file, that means this is indicated by a blank line or the minus. Okay, when you are creating a directory, this is replaced by the D for directory. Okay, after that, see, if you take the condition of the file 1, okay, whenever you go to the file 1, you see that means for the owner, read and write permission is there, but no execution permission. So this is the default properties assigned by the Linux operating system. If you want, then you can change the priorities or the permissions. Okay, that means owner is assigned with read, write, and the no execution permission. Okay, and the group members are allowed with the read only permission, only R minus, no write, no execute. Okay, or in the same way others is also assigned with only the read only permission, only R, no W, no X. Okay, see, by default whenever you are going to create any file, see what in the Linux operating system, so this is the default property which is going to be assigned. Okay, owner with read and write, group with write, and the other with only write. Okay, so by using this command you can see all different information about the things. And who create the file? Kandurpa. Where it is located? Kandurpa directory. Okay, next one is the date and the time and also the file name. All these informations are stored in the inode table. Okay, so in the inode table all the informations are stored. Okay, now come to the cyber crime. देखो, अगर साइबर क्राइम में तुमने कुछ फाइल को जनरेट किया, सपोज यू आर जनरेटिंग वन रिक्वेस्ट, किसी को कुछ एक्सटॉर्शन का रिक्वेस्ट दिया, कुछ भी किया, ठीक है, दैट मीन्स योर इंफॉर्मेशन इज स्टोर्ड लाइक दिस. ओके, तो साइबर सिक्योरिटी एक्सपर्ट आके और जो व्हाइट हैट हैकर्स होता है ना, ये लोग आके ये सब इंफॉर्मेशन सर्च कर लेते हैं. ठीक है, तो करने के बाद ये नंबर जब इसको मिल जाएगा, अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस नंबर he will go to the PC from which PC this number is generated and he will be captured. Okay, that's why when whatever task you do in the computer, it is not hiding from the anyone. अगर expert आएगा then he or she will caught you. So in this way, okay, that means all the file that is generated in any system are assigned with a unique identification number. Okay, and this number is called what? The inode number. Okay, and how to view the inode number? This is LSLI. See, last class someone has asked me na, so sir, after ls why have put this extra thing? So if you put the ls command, simply you will find the name of the file and the directories. Okay, if you add ls minus li, then you can see more about this thing. So in this way there are n number of different options which are there, which provide extra power to the general commands. Okay, so this is about your inode. Okay, so up to this point किसको कितना डाउट है बोलो. See, I'm telling her in class I generally never repeat the same thing again. Okay, in each and every class you will find something new, so be regular. Okay, and please clear the doubt. मैं रिपीट बहुत कम करता हूँ, ठीक है, हर एक दिन में कुछ ना कुछ नया तुम लोगों को मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. ओके, सो प्लीज क्लियर द डाउट here only. Okay, if you have doubt then please ask me regarding inode and what are the different execution I have shown you here. Are you following it or not? Please reply. अरे मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूंगा, ठीक है, आई एम जस्ट enquiring. Okay, whether you are understanding or not, please don't fear about me. Okay, सीखने के टाइम में डरना नहीं है, ठीक है, अगर समझ में आया तो आया बोलो, नहीं तो बोलो मैं फिर से रिपीट करूंगा. ठीक है, बोलो समझ में आया कि नहीं.
Sir,
Yes दीपक, what are you telling?
yeah.
समझ में आ गया. And what about other? And what Bipasa, Darwin, Vishal, Devasis, Gopin, Gunjan and all?
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if
Yes, sir.
someone, okay, yeah, please. Anyone have question? Anyone have any question regarding inode? So if someone asks you what is inode, what you will tell? Can anyone simplify it? If external come in the Viva and ask you what is inode, so it is a common question, he will definitely ask. Okay, then what you will tell? What is inode? कोई एक जन बोल दो. Anyone can participate. Please tell what is inode.
Describe the file system of Unix.
What is inode? If someone asks you, what will tell from an understanding? Okay, I don't need a definition. Okay, from your understanding, please tell me
It
what is inode.
it defines the file system.
Okay, and any other? Please don't go too much technical. ठीक है, जितना समझ में आया इतना बोलो. So एकदम simply बोलो, this is a unique identification number to recognize a file. Yes or not? Yes or not? This is a unique
Yes.
identification number to recognize a file. इसमें से देख लो. So here कितना फाइल था? ऑल टुगेदर 3 डिफरेंट फाइल. जो जितना फाइल था सबका अलग अलग नंबर है. देखो 7 2 कितना बड़ा बड़ा नंबर. ओके, सी ऑल नंबर्स आर डिफरेंट. अभी अगर तुम फिर से एक फाइल क्रिएट करोगे, से touch touch file फाइल 4.txt, ये फाइल मैंने अभी क्रिएट किया. ठीक है, एंटर करो. नाउ पुट ls -li एंटर. देखो अभी अभी जो मैंने फाइल क्रिएट किया इसका भी अलग से नंबर एक आ गया. ओके, सो वेरी शॉर्ट यू कैन टेल दिस इज ए यूनिक, ओके, यूनिक आइडेंटिफिकेशन नंबर टू रिकॉग्नाइज अ फाइल इन द कंप्यूटर मेमोरी. ओके, और जितना फाइल जनरेट होगा इसका पूरा हिस्ट्री, पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन कहाँ पे स्टोर रहेगा बोलो? इन अ inode टेबल. ये सब 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 क्वेश्चन है. मैंने जितना लाइन इसमें बोला हर एक लाइन में क्वेश्चन है. एमसीक्यू होगा ना तुम लोग के एग्जाम में, पूरा इनमें से आएगा. ओके, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स रहेगा. ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ ए फाइल कैन बी जनरेटेड फ्रॉम ऑप्शन 1 inode नंबर, ऑप्शन 2 फाइल आईडी, ऑप्शन 3 फाइल नेम, ऑप्शन 4 ऑल ऑफ द अबव. देखने में एग्जैक्टली सेम लगेगा, बट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज योर व्हाट? द inode नंबर. ओके, don't worry, I will share the note with you after completion of the class. Okay, and the command to view the inode number, you can go either df -i or you can go this command. Okay, ls -li. Okay, so this is all about your inode number. Okay, now let us go. Okay, can I go forward to the super block or you need more repetition of this inode? बोलो. Are you there or not यार? Please reply.
सुपर
Yes, sir.
ब्लॉक कर सकते हैं.
Okay.
Super block.
Okay. Please reply. Otherwise, I'll be confused ना whether you are there or not. Okay. Super block. So likewise, super block. देखो एक तुम्हारा inode क्या करता था बोलो? inode is only associated with a file. Always remember, ठीक है? File means what? Or a directory. Always remember that in Linux everything, your printer, hard disk, directory, all are considered as a file only. Okay, nothing other than this. अगर तुम इसमें माउस भी कनेक्ट किया ना, then this mouse is also act as a file. अगर तुम मॉनिटर को लगाया, then this is also act as a file. अगर मैंने एक यूजर क्रिएट किया by the name Kondorpo or someone else, then this user is also okay considered as a file. That's why inode number is associated with a file. That means with all. Now, what is your super block? Super block is something which is associated with the file system. Okay. Now, what is file system? बोलो अभी बोलो file system क्या है? Okay, let me simplify these things. Okay, how many of you have heard the term FAT32 or NTFS? कितना लोगों ने सुना है FAT32 और NTFS? अच्छा एक बात बताओ, how many of you have tried to transfer a file which is more than 5 GB to a pen drive, or you have received a what a message, error message called your file is too big to transfer to the pen drive. किसी को मिला एक फाइल, आई एम नॉट टेलिंग द फोल्डर, ठीक है. अगर कोई सपोज अफ्टर एक मूवी था ना जिसमें बहुत बढ़िया सा ग्राफिक्स था, तो दिस टाइप ऑफ हाई ग्राफिक्स विच दोस मूवी विच इज शूट यूजिंग द IMAX कैमरा, ओके, विद द ब्लू रे क्वालिटी गोस अप टू मोर एक 1 आवर के लिए मोर देन 6 आवर तक चला जाता है, ठीक है, विद द 4K टाइप ऑफ वीडियो क्वालिटी. ओके, किसी ने कभी ट्राई किया है क्या इस फाइल को पेन ड्राइव में लेने के लिए, एक फाइल को? See, when you go for transmitting this file to the pen drive, then this is not allowed. Okay, computer will throw you one message. Okay, तो इसका सॉल्यूशन क्या है बोलो, तो तुमको पेन ड्राइव को NTFS में फॉर्मेट करना पड़ेगा. Okay, if you are formatting the pen drive using the NTFS file system, then only you are allowed to transfer this huge size of file. Okay, बाय डिफॉल्ट FAT32 जो विंडोज में रहता है ना, इससे तुम ये नहीं कर सकते हो, ठीक है. सो दिस ऑल आर द फाइल सिस्टम. ओके, जितना ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम होगा हर एक ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम का खुद का फाइल सिस्टम रहता है. ओके, इन केस ऑफ योर विंडोज these two are the most common. Okay, one is your FAT32 FAT32. Okay, and next one is what the NTFS. अगर तुम लोग ना का कोई इंस्टॉलेशन किया है ना, देन ही माइट नो दिस थिंग्स. FAT32 and one is what the NTFS. ओके, फाइल एलोकेशन टेबल 32 एंड इसका मीनिंग्स क्या है बोलो, न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी फाइल सिस्टम, ठीक है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस टू, okay, apart from these two, in computing you will find other different file system. Okay, just like that what the HDFS and XFS. So these all are the file system. So super block में क्या रहता है बोलो, in a super block you will find the information about the file system. Okay, a super block is a record of the characteristics of a file system. ठीक है, अभी मैंने जो बोला, in FAT32 you are not allowed to transmit a file more than 6 GB. Okay, so this is the limitation of the characteristics, and these characteristics is stored in your super block of the file system. Okay, आया समझ में? बोलो.
Can you repeat once?
अच्छा, तुम लोगों को म्यूजिक सुनाई दे रहे क्या? आर यू लिसनिंग टू म्यूजिक? सुना दे रहे क्या किसी को? यस अनुपम?
No, sir.
नहीं, मेरे घर के सामने बज रहा है यार, वो कोई विसर्जन के लिए जा रहा है. That's why I might think that you are also listening. Okay, anyway, तो सुपर ब्लॉक, ठीक है, देखो बाय दिस. अच्छा, एक काम करते हैं, ठीक है, आज सुपर ब्लॉक को स्किप करते हैं, ठीक है, एक दिन में ज्यादा हो जाएगा, ठीक है, ये नहीं करते. नेक्स्ट क्लास आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट अगेन. ओके, तो एक जस्ट ऐसे सिंपली एकदम सिंपली समझो दो चीज, ठीक है. एक होगा तुम्हारा फाइल, ठीक है, इसके ऊपर मैंने ज्यादा नहीं जाने आज, तो कल पूजा खत्म हुआ ना, आज इतना बाउंसर नहीं फेंकूंगा, ठीक है. एक होगा तुम्हारा फाइल, एक होगा फाइल, और एक होगा तुम्हारा क्या, फाइल सिस्टम. फाइल सिस्टम, ठीक है. फाइल में क्या आएगा बोलो, ये सब तुम्हारा, जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल फाइल 1.txt, ये एक फाइल हो सकता है, ठीक है. और एक सपोज song 1.mp3, ओके. और कोई वीडियो हो सकता है, video वीडियो 1.mp4, mp4 ठीक है. So these all are the file. These all are the file. Okay. और फाइल सिस्टम क्या होगा बोलो, एक ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम तुम्हारा कौन सा मैकेनिज्म यूज करके फाइल को स्टोर करते हैं, ठीक है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं बोलो, फाइल सिस्टम. फाइल सिस्टम में क्या क्या आएगा, FAT32 और NTFS और XFS, HDFS और मेनी मोर, बहुत सारा मिलेगा, ठीक है. सो दिस वन एकदम सिंपली याद रखो. क्या होगा बोलो, अगर तुम्हारा फाइल सिस्टम आ गया, दिस इज एसोसिएटेड विद सुपर ब्लॉक. सुपर ब्लॉक, ओके. अगर तुम्हारा फाइल आ गया, देन दिस इज एसोसिएटेड विद inode. inode, ओके. दिस टू, बस इतना से समझ कर लेना है, ठीक है. तो नेक्स्ट क्लास इसके ऊपर मैं पूरा डिटेल कराऊंगा, व्हाट इज फाइल सिस्टम. ओके. सो अप टू दिस पॉइंट बोलो, किसको कुछ पूछना है क्या, बोलो.
No, sir.
ये इतना समझ में आ गया ना, ठीक है. तो आज और नहीं खींचूंगा, ठीक है. थोड़ा सा तुम लोग रिलैक्स होके, नेक्स्ट क्लास हमारा कब है बोलो. बोलो व्हेन इज आवर नेक्स्ट क्लास. नेक्स्ट क्लास में थोड़ा डिटेल में करेगा, ठीक है. कब है हमारा क्लास नेक्स्ट.
Day.
थर्सडे.
थर्सडे है ना. थर्सडे इससे फिर से कंटिन्यू करूंगा, ठीक है. कब है ये वाला ना, मॉर्निंग है ना मेरे क्लास.
यस सर.
Yes.
9:15
हाँ,
10:15.
इस टाइम में फिर से कंटिन्यू करूंगा, ठीक है. अगर ये एक बार देख लो, अगर समझ में नहीं आते तो फिर से करूंगा. नोट आई विल शेयर जस्ट नाउ, ओके. गिव मी सम टाइम, आई विल शेयर द नोट, ठीक है. तो ये सब बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है एग्जाम के लिए भी है, और जितना भी इंटरव्यू में जाओगे तो आई नोट के ऊपर तो क्वेश्चन आना ही है तुम लोगों को, ओके. दे विल डेफिनेटली आस्क यू व्हाट इज आई नोट एंड ऑल, ओके. सो रिंकी एंड संकल्प, प्लीज गिव मी द अटेंडेंस फॉर दिस क्लास, ओके. तो आज और इससे
Yes,
ज्यादा मैं इससे देखो, इससे ज्यादा और मैं आज नहीं करूंगा. विल स्टॉप हियर, ओके. इट विल बी ओके.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
या देवाशीष, यू वांट टू आस्क समथिंग.
Sir,
हाँ, কোৱা.
sir, 2nd November পৰা মানে class start হ'ব নেকি?
ক্লাছ ষ্টাৰ্ট
নে
আমাৰ টিচাৰখিনি মাতিছে 2nd নৱেম্বৰৰ পৰা. আমাৰ মানে কি কলেজ তোমাৰ ৰেগুলাৰ খুলিলে আৰু, ঠিক আছে, কিন্তু তোমালোকক এতিয়ালৈ মাতা নাই. ষ্টেপ বাই ষ্টেপ, ফেজ বাই ফেজ মাতি থাকিব,
Okay, sir.
অ'কে.
Okay, sir.
দেৱাশিষ কোৱা. দেৱাশিষ বৰদলৈ কিবা ক'বা. অ'কে, নাথিং না.